Hi everyone, Patty from the studio. Hope you're all doing well. This is a little bit of a different thrifting video. I get asked a lot, why do you pick up certain things? What do you look for? What do you actually sell things for? Because everything I show is just basically what I've purchased. So I did a quick little video with just a couple of things that I look for and a couple of my recent sold pieces, just to inspire you, maybe if you're doing your own thrifting, or just as a point of interest, that there is profit to be made when you buy the right things and you find the right customer. Not everything sells for a huge profit. Not everything sells, but I've been pretty successful at finding some unusual pieces, doing my research, and sometimes just getting what I like. So I just thought it might be interesting. So why don't you take a look and see what I sold? Please like, subscribe, comment, all those fun things. I appreciate it. Here we go.